Welcome to the best picks. The best CystGone is probably one of the most effective and safest ways to treat those pesky ingrown hair cysts, and in this video, we will deep dive into this product, exploring its key features, benefits, and how it compares to other available treatments. We will also discuss what to consider before purchasing and using this product, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and skin type. I will share my personal experience and unbiased review to help you determine if CystGone is the right choice for you. Number 5. 10 Skin Razor Bump Solution. Are you tired of unsightly razor bumps and ingrown hairs? It's time to experience smooth, confident skin. This solution is here to help. This powerful solution helps reduce the appearance of ingrown hairs and razor bumps, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. It's perfect for legs, underarms, and more. Use it after shaving, dermaplaning, or waxing to prevent those pesky bumps. It soothes your skin and helps maintain that smooth finish. With a minimalist formula, it delivers purity and effectiveness without unnecessary additives. It's gentle yet powerful. It can also be used as a facial toner. It acts as a micropeel, improving your skin's glow and reducing the appearance of wrinkles with regular use. Made in the USA with quality ingredients you can trust. It's cruelty-free and hasn't been tested on animals. What we like? It's a versatile solution for various hair removal methods. It's made in the USA with a trusted formula. If you value quality and effectiveness, this is a great option for you. What people say? It works exactly as advertised. Within 3 days it clears it up completely. I have red hair and a very sensitive skin and I have never been able to shave my bikini line until now. Number 4. ESTETIST Razor Bump Stopper. Are you tired of irritating razor bumps and dark spots? This roll-on serum is specially formulated to soothe and prevent them, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. It's perfect for use after shaving, waxing, or tweezing on your face, bikini area, underarms, and legs. It works for both men and women. This isn't just a razor bump solution, it also helps reduce the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation, improving your skin's overall tone and elasticity. Simply roll it on daily after your hair removal routine. It's easy to use and quickly absorbs into your skin. It's packed with powerful ingredients like glycolic and salicylic acid, camphor, and vitamin E to gently exfoliate, cool, and prevent clogged pores and infections. Experience instant relief from irritation. It cools and calms your skin, leaving it feeling comfortable and refreshed. Remember to follow with sunscreen during the day. What we like? The convenient roll-on makes application easy. It also helps reduce the appearance of age spots. If you're looking for a convenient and anti-aging solution, this is for you. What people say? It has a pleasant, light scent, fine for both sexes, and is rapidly decreasing trapped ingrown hairs quite well. New hairs are coming out straight, without ingrowing. This product really works as a preventative treatment for ingrown hair. I apply it immediately after getting back from the barber shop. I was also surprised to see how great it treated my old scars lumps from ingrown hairs. The roller works well, the large bottle will last a long time. Number 3. Bushbalm Ingrown Hair Oil. This all-natural oil is formulated to soften, soothe, and improve the look of your skin. It's designed to reduce the appearance of ingrown hairs and bumps after shaving or waxing. Made with high-quality ingredients, it's safe for all skin types and can be used anywhere on your body. It has a subtle tea tree scent, leaving your skin feeling clean and fresh. 6 natural ingredients work together to nourish and hydrate your skin while reducing ingrown hairs. The blend of jojoba, grapeseed, and tea tree oil soothes and relieves dryness. Gently massage a few drops onto your skin, focusing on areas prone to razor bumps or ingrown hairs. It can also soothe other skin irritations. For optimal results, apply it daily within 2 minutes of showering or bathing, on clean, fresh skin. Using it with a Bushbalm scrub, sold separately, enhances its effectiveness. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, with no harmful chemicals. It's the perfect addition to your ethical skincare routine. For external use only. What we like? It's made with all natural ingredients, perfect for sensitive skin. It soothes irritated skin and reduces redness. If you prefer natural products and have sensitive skin, this is ideal. What people say. Within 2 days, the ingrown hair bumps/irritation was gone. It does have a distinct herbal smell, but that tones down as it dries. My skin does not feel greasy, it just feels like it has been moisturized. The oil works wonders in soothing and preventing ingrown hairs, especially in sensitive areas like the bikini line. The oil itself has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. Been using this product for a couple of years now and can say this product plus switching to a trimmer has made a huge difference, and it smells so good. The bottle is small but lasts a lot longer than expected as well. Number 2. HYLAND'S PRID Drawing Salve. It soothes and relieves the discomfort of boils, minor skin eruptions, and redness. It's a gentle, natural way to find relief from everyday skin irritations. This salve provides temporary pain and irritation relief from those pesky splinters, thorns, and ingrown hairs. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to healing. Itching from bug bites or minor cuts and scrapes. Itching relief is just a topical application away. Experience the soothing power of this natural formula. Simply apply it to the affected area as needed for natural relief. It's that easy to use and provides soothing comfort. Made with natural active ingredients, it's paraben-free and has no known drug interactions. It's safe for the whole family to use. For over a century, HYLAND'S has been committed to providing high-quality products to help families live healthier and happier lives. Trust the name you know and love. This product is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. You can trust in its quality and effectiveness. What we like. It provides pain relief from various skin irritations. It's easy to apply for quick relief. If you need fast, gentle relief, this is a good choice. What people say. It's honestly like a magic trick. You simply apply a little to the problem spot, cover it up, and before you know it, the bump is gone. No drama, no stress, just results. It's not a fast solution, but it worked on my left foot perfectly. Now just need to get all the glass out of the right foot. I open the skin a bit, lather on some PRID and cover with gauze. Do this for several nights. Then dig some more while removing the glass that has come close to the surface. Second day I noticed it wasn't growing like it was. Third day it plateaued in growth. Fourth day it was actually going down in size a tiny bit. It was growing so fast. It's day 7 and it has nearly fully resolved. It was deep into my skin. It never got a whitehead, it just sort of dissolved. Number 1. Fur Ingrown Concentrate Kit. This kit is designed to smooth, soothe, and treat ingrown hairs. It's a game changer for your hair and skin. It's a vitamin E, D, and C complex that hydrates your skin and absorbs quickly without any greasy residue. It leaves your skin feeling soft and healthy. This deeply penetrates hair follicles to eliminate dryness, softening ingrown hairs for easy removal. It may also speed up your skin's healing process. This powerful essential oil eliminates excess sebum in pores to prevent ingrown hairs and may speed up your skin's healing process. It keeps your skin clear and healthy. Derived from the tamarind nut, it's packed with moisturizing omega fatty acids to soften skin and promote new, healthy cell growth. It leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated. This natural ingredient calms and soothes redness, relieving irritated skin. It's one of the oldest remedies for irritated skin. It's free of phthalates, parabens, silicones, and artificial colors or fragrances. It's a gentle yet effective solution for your skin concerns. What we like. This exfoliating oil deeply hydrates and soothes the skin. It helps to prevent and treat ingrown hairs. If you want to prevent ingrown hairs and keep your skin healthy, this is the one for you. What people say. I've always had issues with ingrowns whether I shaved or waxed, but ever since I've used this oil plus the exfoliate I've had 0 ingrowns. I have struggled with ingrowns, and have used the fur oil that I love to keep my skin soft, but a few stubborn ingrowns convinced me to try this concentrate and they came out the next day. This oil smells very good, and is great for ingrown hairs. It comes with a little exfoliating cloth which works amazing for those ingrowns as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.